I'm Maria. Today, I'm presenting to you the small and mini excavator, ME35. The ME35 mini excavator is a star product of Maxpower. It is neither too big nor too small, just right. It can solve the problem of insufficient capacity of micro excavators and is not as bulky as medium-sized excavators. It is very convenient to operate, whether it's for municipal engineering, garden and pasture construction, or other lightweight construction scenarios. Choosing it is the right choice. The ME35 mini excavator is equipped with a Yammer 3 TNV88F engine, which has sufficient power, and this engine is widely used in the field of mini excavators and has a high degree of customer recognition. It is durable, fuel efficient, The ME35 mini excavator is equipped with an inline or La Hydraulics custom pump valve system, which is specially designed to meet customer needs. It has high reliability, low pressure loss, and smooth compound actions, and is very easy to use. The upgraded bucket digging force is up to 30 kilonewtons, greatly improving efficiency. The bucket teeth are fixed by vertical pins and have a flatter design with less resistance and more convenient replacement. Its wheelbase distribution is very scientific, and the overall machine has high stability. The double-supported bearing-type sprocket design eliminates the hidden danger of either wheel jamming and ensures the continuity and reliability of operations. Maxpower, customize for you.